Are you looking for the best Sony cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Sony cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony ZV1. The ZV1 is the best Sony camera for vlogging. Its small form factor and impressive 4K video capabilities make it perfect for creating top-quality content in any location. Moreover, this tiny beast includes AI-powered auto-framing and frame stabilizer features, making subject tracking and handheld filming a breeze. Image quality. Your footage will be pretty crisp with the 12.1 MP sensor. Regarding video, the ZV1 manages 4K 120p, yet cannot record raw video. You can also live stream videos in either 4K 30p or Full HD 60p using USB-C. Technical features. The most noteworthy perks of the Sony ZV1 are its AI capabilities from its modern chipset. Luckily, that's not the only highlight of the camera. The interchangeable lens and full-frame sensor paired with 759-point phase detection autofocus make it a versatile choice for any photographer. Meanwhile, the viewfinder is replaced with a vari-angle screen. Size and connectivity. The top vlogging camera weighs only 483 grams and occupies 121 by 71.9 by 54.3 millimeters of space. Wireless connection options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, while direct alternatives are USB-C and mini HDMI. Number 2. Sony A7 III. The Sony A7 III is the previous generation model of the Sony A7 IV, which is the overall best Sony camera on our list. However, the camera is far from outdated and remains a popular choice, particularly among budget-conscious filmmakers. Image quality. This camera offers a maximum resolution of 24 MP for still photography. Meanwhile, video recording options include 4K/24p, 4K/30p, and Full HD/120p, all uncropped. Technical features. Autofocus is more than capable with its 693 phase detection points and 425 contrast points. Furthermore, the lens is interchangeable, and with the Sony E-mount at the base, you won't be strapped for powerful alternatives over the default lens. Size and connectivity. The Sony A7 III is quite a handful, weighing 650 g and measuring at 127 by 96 by 74 millimeters. You can improve your workflow and connect to other devices using Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth. Finally, you can store your files using 2 SD card slots and transfer them to other devices using super speed USB 3.1 and USB Type-C. Number 3. Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera. Although the Sony A6400 is relatively old at this point, released in 2019, it's still popular among budget-conscious vlogging enthusiasts. It boasts great specs for video creation and includes a screen that you can flip 180 degrees for instant feedback while filming yourself. Additionally, the model's interchangeable lens and affordable price make it a solid mid-range Sony camera. Image quality. The APS-C 24.2 MP sensor allows you to capture high-quality still images and videos. Speaking of which, supported video formats are 4K 30p or 24p plus Full HD at up to 120 frames per second. Technical features. The robust autofocus system boasts 425 both phase detection and contrast points. Users can also enable the AI-powered real-time eye and tracking AF to recognize and follow subjects. Size and connectivity. The Sony A6400 is relatively compact with its 120.0 by 66.9 by 59.7 mm size and 403 g weight. Using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, micro USB, or micro HDMI, you can connect to other devices to extract recorded photos and videos. Number 4. Sony A7 RV. The Sony A7 RV is the camera for you if you need one of the most impressive megapixel counts on the market. Another mind-blowing feature is the AI-powered autofocus, which makes tracking various subjects an absolute breeze. Thus, the camera is a top choice for sports, wildlife photography, and other events where loads of people congregate. Image quality. The full-frame sensor boasts an incredible 61MP resolution, one of the most significant counts among cameras from all manufacturers. This feature lets you shoot video at 8K 24p, although it is cropped at 1.2x. Uncropped recording is available at 4K resolution, but not at 60 frames per second, where cropping is the same as with 8K. Meanwhile, autofocus clocks in at 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points. Technical features. This camera includes a potent AI-powered autofocus system, which recognizes a wide range of subjects, including various insects, animals, birds, and even vehicles like cars and planes. The Sony A7 RV also doesn't rely solely on faces to find human subjects. Size and connectivity. The Sony A7 RV weighs a hefty 723g and occupies 131.3 by 96.9 by 82.4 mm of space. Users have many connectivity options, including Bluetooth, USB-C, micro USB, HDMI, Wi-Fi, and even external microphones and headphones. Number 5. Sony A1. The Sony A1 is the overall best camera regarding versatility and technical specifications. It's the ultimate all-in-one package made for professionals. The pricing is on the higher end, making it overkill for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Image quality. The full-frame sensor boasts 50.1MP resolution and uses Sony's proprietary Exmor technology for improved noise reduction. You can freely change the lens to another supported by Sony E-mount. Meanwhile, video is 10-bit, 8K recordings cap at 30 frames per second, while 4K and 1080p can reach 120 frames per second. Technical features. This camera stands out with its swift 30 frames per second continuous shooting capabilities using the electronic shutter. On the other hand, the viewfinder is powered by OLED technology and sports 9.4 million dots for extreme accuracy. Size and connectivity. All these impressive technical features fit neatly into an average-sized 128.9 by 96.9 by 80.8 mm camera, which weighs roughly 737g. Naturally, the specs will change if you grab the optional vertical grip. Finally, connectivity options range from USB-C, LAN, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and HDMI.